how to fix snapshot effects or filters. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix your effects on Snapchat. First thing you wanna do is make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. If you don't have it, then you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat and update it. After you do this step, now go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then search for Snapchat like this and go directly into the internal storage. Click on clear data and clear cache, and after that click on this stop or force stop. And then all what you want to do is go to the data usage, make sure to enable all these options. Don't forget to like, subscribe.